Understanding in turmoil. Grasp the phrase in minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, in turmoil. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in conversations effectively. So, if you're ready to add another phrase to your vocabulary toolkit, let's dive in. The phrase, in turmoil, is used to describe a state of great disturbance, confusion, or uncertainty. It's often used to talk about emotional, social, or political situations. For instance, when a country is going through a revolution or a company is facing financial troubles, they are said to be in turmoil. This phrase can be applied to various situations, from personal to global scales. Let's break it down with some examples. After the election, the country was in turmoil. He's been in turmoil ever since the breakup. The word turmoil has its roots in the Middle English term turmoilen, which means to disturb or to confuse. Knowing the origins of words can often help us better understand and remember their meanings. Although it's not necessary to know the history of every word you learn, for those of you who are curious, this background can make your learning experience more enriching. Now let's practice using in turmoil in a sentence to ensure you get the hang of it. When you see someone looking upset, you might say, "You seem in turmoil, want to talk about it?" Or, when discussing a company's challenges, you could say, "The new policy has thrown the organization in turmoil." The key to mastering in turmoil is to use it when referring to situations with chaos, confusion, or disorder. Using synonyms can make your speech more varied and interesting. Some synonyms for in turmoil include in chaos, distressed, disordered, upheaval. You can try replacing in turmoil with any of these synonyms to change up your sentence structures or to better suit the context of your conversation. When learning new phrases, it's easy to make mistakes. One common mistake is using in turmoil for positive or neutral situations. Remember, in turmoil is used to describe negative states of confusion or disturbance, not calm or happy ones. Another mistake is confusing in turmoil with being physically turbulent, like a storm. While a storm can cause turmoil, the phrase itself is typically used for metaphorical storms in life, not the weather. Great job today! You've learned a new phrase to describe disorder and disturbance. Next time you come across a situation that's full of confusion or chaos, you'll be prepared to talk about it like a native speaker. In turmoil is a powerful phrase that can help you vividly express the chaotic nature of a situation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your day-to-day conversations or writing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.